Peter Obi spent Easter in detention in London. Peter Obi was accosted by immigration officials at Heathrow Airport who handed him a detention note and told him to step aside. The LP presidential candidate in the February 25th presidential poll arrived at the Heathrow Airport in London from Nigeria on Good Friday, April 7, 2023, and joined the queue for the necessary airport protocols when he was accosted by immigration officials who handed him a detention note and told him to step aside, Mr. Onifade said. When I heard that Tinubu was asking if I am still alive, I had to cry out, Alhaja Shitu Ojikutu. Former Deputy Governor of Lagos State, Alhaja Shinatu Ojikutu, has vowed that she would renounce Nigeria's citizenship if the President-elect Bola Ahmed Tinubu is sworn in as president on May 29th. She said that she has already instructed her lawyers to start working on how she would renounce her Nigerian citizenship if Tinubu is sworn in. She said this while addressing journalists in Lagos on Wednesday. She said that when she had Tinubu was asking if she was still alive, she had to cry out. She said, I will also say that if anything happens to me, he should be held responsible. Tinubu, if the election is cancelled, there is provision for who will be acting president, Andoaka said. Speaking in an interview, a senior advocate of Nigeria and former Attorney General of the Federation, Michael Andoaka, disclosed that if Tinubu becomes president and the election that brought him into power gets annulled by the court, there is a provision in the Constitution for who will be made the acting president until a fresh presidential election is conducted. He added that there have been instances where a governor's election was nullified and the Speaker of the State House of Assembly held the office of the governor until a fresh election was conducted. APC explains why Tinubu forfeited $460,000 to US, says it's no longer a valid ground to challenge his eligibility. In new court filings at the Presidential Election Petition Court, the APC said that Tinubu merely relinquished the fund in 10 bank accounts that were opened in either his name or that of Compass Finance and Investment Company. The APC said that the funds in the said accounts, which were domiciled in two commercial banks, were subject to a civil forfeiture proceeding in case number 93C4483, and that the purported decision of the United States District Court, Northern District of Illinois, Eastern Division in the said case was not a fine but a decree of forfeiture of the amount of $460,000 to the United States pursuant to the settlement of claim by the parties to the case. Reaction as security operative resist interim LP chairman from entering LP office in Abuja. It is no longer news that there have been controversies surrounding the leadership of the Labour Party since Apapa emerged as interim. It will be recalled that Apapa had a few days ago declared himself as the leader of the party following a court judgment. In a counter-attack, the national chairman, Julius Abure, said he remains the national chairman of the party. Thanks for staying with us.